Here is how you can receive calls on the iPad. Let me explain it and guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So there are more ways how the iPad can receive calls. Like if you use your iPhone alongside with the iPad, just like a lot of people do, you can go to your iPhone settings app. So let me just guide you through all of that. So you open up the settings on your iPhone. On the main page, you get to the bottom entirely, open up the apps and find the phone. So you might need to scroll a little bit, but you will be able to find it right here. And one of the menus is calls on other devices, and you can disable it fully, right? Meaning that only the calls that you receive on the iPhone are only going to ring on the iPhone. That's fine. A lot of people want it this way, but if you enable calls on other devices, and if you have some of them available, like I do have the Mac as well as iPad, those can also receive the same calls. So as long as I'm nearby, like I'm right now, and if I have the iPad enabled, if somebody calls me on the iPhone, it will also ring on the iPad. I'll be able to pick it up on the iPad, and I can technically receive calls on it, but only from the iPhone and if it's nearby. So that's how it works. This is the feature which I'm talking about. But outside of that, you can still receive calls on the iPad, but through some different places. Like a lot of people use WhatsApp to make calls, right? So if you use and set up WhatsApp on the iPad, you can also receive calls on the device, but through the WhatsApp service. Or a lot of people use FaceTime, which as well works on a similar principle that you use internet to make and receive calls. So if you don't have it set up, go to the settings, apps, and also click on the FaceTime and make sure that the toggle in there is turned on and that you have it set up and that everything works. And then now anybody can call me on the iPad and reach me with this account. Obviously only the person which I know I have in my contact, because everything else will be filtered and I will not even see it. But that's kind of how it works in this scenario. So yeah, you can receive calls, and that's how it would work on the iPad. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.